Happy birthday.
Okay, so hi everyone. It's our first day here in Hong Kong. And so I'm gonna make you a room tour. So we're here in Causeway Bay. Ayan. And this is our room. Ayan. Lagi nakaabang na yung asawa ko. Yan. It's a decent room naman. So compared to the first namin way back in 2017. So I think this is a pretty decent room. This is in Mini Hotel Causeway Bay. So ayan. For the 4 of us. Ayan. So, we'll be going out for a while. And then, we're gonna celebrate. Yep. We're gonna celebrate Kuya's birthday. Okay. So, hi. We're here in Layton Road. Ayan. So, we're gonna buy breakfast muna. Yay! It's the double-decker bus! No. Second. Oh, sige, later. So, it's 9 a.m. in the morning. So, we're heading to muna. Buy some food, breakfast. And then next is Ocean Park. Hong Kong Ocean Park. What? So, it's me and Kuya here. Happy birthday, my son! It's his 7th birthday. Yay! Celebrate kami ng birthday niya.
It's your 7th birthday today!
Walk na? Let's go! Parang old school yung mga taxis nila dito eh. Ayan o. Wow! Happy birthday! Ayun. Ayan, sige. So, punta na kami. Pasok na kami ngayon. Ayan. Let's go! Yeah. Okay yan. Masaya yan. I can see the, Let's go to the ticket booth. Oh, you want, crocodile. Take a photo with the crocodile. Picture daw. Hindi yan real. Oh, gusto ni Kuya. Ang init, sobra. Pero, okay yan kasi umuulan. Kasi yung forecast last week parang pero parang uulan. Pero at least, di ba? Later, anak, kasi pag pauwi na, para hindi na natin bibit-bitin. Doon sa taas yung lab. Hanggang doon yung lab. Hanggang sa bundok tayo pupunta. Ayan yung cable car. Oh, you want to ride the cable car muna? Yes. O, hanapin na muna natin yung mga... Let's take a photo! Eto, dito yung sa may giant panda eh. Ito yung map. Gusto mo picture, kasi maraming rides eh. Puntahan na natin yung mga animals.
Come on, Kuya, hold me.
was in 2017 with my parents and my sister pa. So we didn't include Ocean Park in our itinerary kasi we only had 3 days before. So I didn't know na ganito pala kalaki yung Ocean Park sa Hong Kong. And it is very nice, no? Na we get to experience this and with my kids naman. And for my son's 7th birthday pa, diba? Wow! Alright, so we're going inside the Grand Aquarium. Hi! Say hi, Dad! Whoa! Yes, we're going to the Grand Aquarium.
It looks like a jellyfish, like SpongeBob SquarePants.
Yeah. You want to see SpongeBob?
You're gonna see SpongeBob here. Ang init! Pero okay lang. A healthy ocean means healthy humans. Yes, that is nice. Oh, wow! Look at the animals. Look at the... Oh. Maganda yung isda dito.
Hey, don't climb.
Isn't this Dory? No, or this one is Dory.
No.
No.
It's Cream Dory.
Cream Dory.
That's a big fish. Look, that's a big fish. That's a big fish.
Hey, did you see SpongeBob?
I actually see it. Look, it looks like a sponge.
Come on, come on.
Come on, come on.
It looks like a sponge.
Jay, wait for us, ha? Look, kuya. Oo nga eh. DJ, look! Nasha?
Can I touch them?
No. Oh, starfish? Oo, kaya hindi nakakasawa.
I see the blue.
You see the blue? Oh, that is Dory!
Dory the fish. Is that the red?
Red? I don't know.
A clownfish?
Oh, does that look like a clownfish?
Yep.
Yeah, sorry. Yeah, there's a starfish.
Starfish? Starfish.
That's Patrick.
And that's Patrick Star.
Oh. And there's a sea sponge. Oh my God!
Oh, it's a big one.
It's
Ano ba yan?
It's Mr. Crab.
Is that a crab?
Look
Anak,
this.
it's a king. Oh, it's a lobster daw, anak.
It's a lobster.
Yeah, king lobster.
Hey, it looks like Larry.
Larry? Yeah, Larry.
Now she's a strawberry.
Yeah, J.O.
Is that Larry too?
Larry, yeah. And look above you. Look, there.
It's Patrick.
Patrick!
Look at the hands.
Oh my God, Patrick Star! What do you think you're doing here?
Ang laki ng aquariums nila dito. Oh, this is Pops.
Which is Pop?
It's a puffer fish.
Hey, come here. She's in school.
Yeah, look, oh, there's Dory again.
Dory again. Come on, David. Hey, Puffer fish. Let's go like a banana.
Come on, Jay.
Come on, let's look for the other one. Come on.
It looks like in the water.
You like that? Oh.
There's a fish.
are.
Stingray!
I forgot.
Oh my god, I forgot that.
I forgot what it's called.
Oh my god!
What's that, kuya?
Ganito mag-ano ng taho. Oyster.
Alam ba?
Ito yung ano.
A sea dragon!
Yeah, you're right. It is a sea dragon. You're right. Galing ni TJ ah.
Because he wants to sting you. Did you know a lionfish?
Well, no, I don't know.
You don't like a lionfish?
No.
Look, oh. It's a seaweed. Fish. What's a seaweed?
Sarap yan. Ano mo, dadaingin mo. Ano?
Kaya nga eh, pagkain lang ni Mingming yan eh.
Dadaing mo.
Look there.
Yeah.
What's that, Jay?
This came from the seaweed. A sea urchin.
Yeah, you're right. It's an urchin. That's a sea urchin. Yeah, is it? No, it's not a, oh, is it a clownfish?
Yep, it's Nemo. And that is Dad.
There's another one.
Anak ko yung anak ko.
Alam niya lang. Kung ano.
Seahorse. Alam ko yung seahorse. The next one. A big fish.
Oo nga naman laki. Yung isda, oh, naka-magify lang. It's pregnant? Is the seahorse pregnant? No. Is it a dragonfish? Let's go. Kuya, wait for us. Tasha, mommy and daddy's here. Parang pinapakita yung deeper ocean. Uy, love, ang galing oh. Yeah. Ay, ang laki mo.
A shark.
Ayun oh.
A stingray. A goldfish.
Ate J, look. Nandito siya, lap! Or milkfish. And we're finished here in the Grand Aquarium.
Ito mo yung gano'ng kapan.
Oo nga, no. Yang gamit na yan? Ilang mm ka? Ah, kapal, no? Eh, kasi syempre yung pressure, parang underwater yung dating niya. No? Yeah. Let's see our photo.
Let's see your photo.
Yeah, it's amazing. Ang ganda ng ano nila, Grand Aquarium nila. Wala sila nung parang oceanarium, pero ano, parang ano siya, point of view style. Ipapakita sa'yo kung ano yung itsura ng dagat kapag ganito yung angle mo. Kaya meron may mga shots doon na parang nakatingala ka. So, you will see it naman. Tasha, are you happy? Very good.
Hot. Wow.
Ah, panda. Okay. There's a panda and a monkey.
熊猫和川金丝猴。船款内请保持安静，拍照时关闭闪光灯
No,
和
don't.
照
Sorry. And Tasha.
Please keep quiet inside, no flash, and don't eat things. Thank you.
Alright, thank you. Oh, keep quiet daw inside, ah. The panda might get scared. Yeah. Keep quiet daw baka. Ay, ang panda. Sleeping pa. Ayun sa TV. Let's go, let's go. No flashing daw. Jay, look. Ang laki no. Nagulat ako. Sinushush ako. Grabe yung talon niya. Nagulat ako.
Wow.
The baby monkey is there.
Yeah, it's climbing. Quiet. The panda is sleeping. Oh, so sayang. Sleeping pa siya. So, this is their playpen. Ah, yun na yun. Ito na pala yun.
Tulog na, tarang na.
So, okay. Sorry, panda. The panda is sleeping. We cannot see them now. So, sayang. Tulog yung panda. Sa CCTV lang namin siya nakita. Later, baby. Later. So, right now, I think we're gonna ride, ano na, submarine train. Medyo sad lang yung kids. Hindi nila nakita yung ano. Or ako yung sad. Charing. Magandang pataas. Bakit may ngongping naman? Okay, let's go.
No waiting.
No waiting, no waiting. Go, 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 go. Pila, ito ba yun? Ay, hindi. Bump car.
Let's go there.
Ah, pinabaryahan niya. One, two. One, two, go! Daddy, pengi daw si Tasha. Lakasan natin, lakas natin. Lakas natin. Ano gagawin, lab? Beverage? Bibili ako, ah. Init. Grabe, pawis na pawis kami.
Naman tapos. Okay. Mag-iwan.
Oh! Look, Jay. Oh! Look there, doon.
Dami yun.
Dami. Ganda. Kailangan nakakita ng ganyang painting sa movie.
You see it, Tasha?
Happy? Ah,
Tapos na-jump yung thing.
nag-jump yung penguin.
Tapos nag-swimming siya. Tapos nag-jump.
Ang galing naman ni Tasha. Let's go, baby.
Lamig sa may
Hold mo.
penguin.
Kaya nga, lamig na. Uy! It's splashing. Ang lalim ng ano nila, pool nila.
Bawal nag-swimming.
Makapal yung ano sa lalim. Gano'n? Ay,
The
oo.
penguin look like a sea lion.
Look like a sea lion, yeah.
Yeah.
Look, floating.
Oh! Wait, she look like she
Wow! Oh, galing, no, they're fast. Look, oh,
Yan na.
it's diving. Oh! Oh, nagpapakitang gilas, ano?
Masigat ka, boy.
Pasikat.
Wait.
Yeah, they're the same in the movie that we're watching.
Yeah, look like
The one with
Yeah.
hair like this.
Yes.
The hair like this.
with the penguin. Because I watched this she's Christian.
Ang ginaw, let's go. King Penguin.
Sa ano?
Oo. It's a souvenir shop. Yeah, this is the souvenir shop already. We're done. Push, push. Careful.
Are you going to have fun now?
Of course we will. lang ba? Ay, oo nga.
It's not for the beer. It's a
Fox. Fox! Ay, sorry.
Wake up, Bob.
TJ. It's sleeping.
Ayun na, start na. Ma. Asya. Dalawang ikot.
Oh, they're swimming. Seal siya. Seal, anak ko. Seal. Ah, they are feeding.
Go up there, kuya. Wait mo lang.
Jane, go up. Dito, go up there. Tasha, go with kuya. Wait for your turn, kuya. Wait. Let them finish. Alright, let's see. Oh.
Help me! Help me to hide me! Help me! Help me to hide me!
No, nothing here.
Nothing here. Let's go up now.
Takot ka sa roller coaster? Nagsigaw ka? Dapat nagsigaw ka para mawala takot mo. Ako nagsigaw ako kasi para nawala takot ko nung sumigaw ako. Pag sumigaw ka, mawawala takot mo. Like, oh my God, it's so big! Jay, look! Ay, lumabas sila! Jay, they're so big! About the walrus. What can you say? Are they big?
Yep.
How about you?
Walrus.
What can you say about the walrus?
One more shark teeth. Come on, buddy. Come on.
Meron din dito, anak, oh. Jay, sila yan.
Uy.
Ang laki ng ano nila.
Parang sarap lang ng buhay mo yun.
Ako din.
Parang po lang mag-elephant.
Kasi ito lang ang meron sa atin eh. Sa mga zoo. Ito na nga yun. water. You can watch them swim, look. It's ayun, Jay, oh.
I didn't see it. Hi, me, Daddy.
The walrus, Jay, the walrus. Ang labo lang eh. Pero, ayan! Sorry, nagulat ako. Oh my gosh. Ito din mo? Ano sabi niya? Parang ang laki daw. Bigla pa naman kasi bumaba dun sa ano. Oh, that's the walrus! Ang laki oh! Wow! So huge! Going back! Oh, Tasha! Ang laki! Tasha! Ayun na, it's... Labo, sisid siya. Jay, ito oh! Yung puwet niya. Talaga? Tumingin sa kanya. Nakatayo siya oh. Ang kulit eh. Oo. First time namin makakita ng walrus. Ang laki pala. Ano masasabi ko? Isa nakatayo eh. Ang kulit eh. Parang tao.
Slowly through the
Tasha, look oh, kuya. And we're done for the Arctic. Look, it's spinning. Oh,
We just want to play.
galing na no? Wait for daddy. Ayun na si daddy. Yes, we have more. Yeah? Yeah. 13. Correct. Right, there's a seat. Yan, iikot naman yan. So we're here in Ocean Park Tower. So we're gonna see. Ang itim. Parang nag-swimming. Init dito sa Hong Kong ngayon. Sa We're going up. Yeah, we're gonna see. Oh, it's rotating. Wow. Uy, ang ganda. Ito yung Ocean Park. Ay, may Ferris wheel pa pala dito eh. Oh, ang ganda. You can stand up. Jay, look at the camera.
I want to go to the water park.
There's swimming there eh. Park pala ng Ocean Park pala eh, kaya malaki.
Punta ako. Punta ako.
Daming ano na po. Ano, bababa na. Ayun doon tayo galing. Ang ganda. Ang dami nagsisail. Tapos ang ganda ng mga buildings doon sa kabila. Ay, patay. Labtin mo yun. Diyos ko. Sino sasatay ito? Ang ganda na. Gusto mo, may isolated island pa doon. May nakikita akong tao, maakit ka na.
Mommy, I want to go to the roller coaster.
That roller coaster is for the big guys only. It's not for kids.
But Mom, we just ride that the floor early today in. I want to go to the water park.
There's swimming there eh. Part pala ng Ocean Park pala eh, kaya malaki. Ang daming ano na po. Ano, bababa na? Ayun doon tayo galing.
Tasha. Yung vlogger.
May sila. Ito pala yung sila. Bababa na kami. Ito yung itsura niya. Ganyan. Nakaupo lang naman ng tao. Pero pwede ka tumayo kasi may handrails eh. Lunchtime here in Ocean Park. So, look at this. Wow! Diba? Ang dami ng serving. Nalula yung asawa ko nung nakita niya yan. So, we bought our vouchers from Klook and then they have free drinks na din. And, of course, ice cream for the kids. Pero sobrang nakakalula siya. Ang laki ng kanin, gabundok. Wow!
Wait mo lang. Let it melt.
So, let's eat. Are you happy?
Ready?
Yay! Wait
lang.
lang, wait. Up, up.
Baba, baba! Hurry
Go,
up,
go, go, go. Okay.
Hurry up!
Talaga?
Please take the double seat with our children.
Okay, thank you. Take the double seat daw for children. Let's look for a double seat. No, Jane. Ayun, doon tayo. No. Bawal tayo dyan.
Welcome to the Sea Life Carousel. In accordance with the safety regulations,
Saan? Saan?
people suffering from heart disease,
Diyan mo gusto? O, dito daw. Happy? Daddy! TJ!
thank you for your cooperation.
环回水世界即将启动。
Ah, there's a panda. I don't know.
Kaya nasabi ba?
Tulog na sila ni Daddy.
No.
Finish na. Alright. Okay, let's remove them.
Thank you for riding Sea Life Carousel, and we hope you enjoy the rest of
公园度过愉快的一天。
Sige.
The first thing.
Hanap tayo ng kuko. Sa Disneyland, sige mag-Elsa ka. Sa Disneyland, mag-Elsa ka. Teka lang, ang ganda na.
Pamela po ba?
Marami nang kainang nagko-close ng 5. Play. Sige.
Ma, there's nothing to watch. Ma, there's nothing to watch. Oh. Take ko ba?
dagat. Did you enjoy Ocean Park?
No way, I want more.
You want more? How about you, Tasha? Did you enjoy Ocean
I
Park?
want go more.
You want more? That is amazing. So we're heading towards Admiralty kasi we're going to Victoria Harbor. On the next day pa, not today.
Too late na. We are too late. Yes, too late. Not again.
Have the raspberry. Is it okay? I'll have this.
I am pulling raspberry. My monster dyan. It looks like the alien.
Mamaya, lagay mo lang dyan. Kukunin ko mamaya. Mamaya na lang. Kay daddy naman. Oh, it's blueberry yata. I will get it. Teka lang. Lagay mo doon. It's blueberry. Nalagay sa cheesecake.
Happy birthday. birthday. Birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Okay, kuya, you want more?
Yeah.
Enough na kasi na-blow na daw.
Okay.
Oh,
Yay! Very good.
Your turn, Tasha.
Yeah. You want to try? Shut up. Tikman mo yan. Meeting sa Hong Kong.
Master Ryan.
Daddy, wala naman pa. Babayaran ko na.
Look at I turn it off. Look at I turn it off.
Hi, TJ and Tasha. Hi, Daddy. What can you say about today's activity?
Mushroom.
Hindi nga, what can you say?
Mushroom.
Seriously, what can you say?
Mushroom. Mushroom.
It's tiring, no? Yes, Daddy's correct. Tiring and worth it.